Hey guys, if you want to change the refresh rate on your iPhone, especially for smoother gaming and video playback, you can easily adjust it from the Settings app. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, select Motion. Now scroll all the way down until you find the Limit Frame Rate option. When this option is turned on, it limits the display to a maximum of 60 frames per second, which means a ProMotion iPhone will operate at up to 60 Hz. If you turn limit frame rate off, your iPhone can use its higher refresh rate up to 120 Hz, depending on the model. This can make scrolling, animations, and supported games feel much smoother and more responsive. Keep in mind that if you don't see the limit frame rate option, your iPhone model is likely limited to a 60 Hz display. So if you have a supported iPhone and want the smoothest experience, make sure limit frame rate is turned off. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.